based on mechanism of reaction. Mechanism of reaction, it's a simple reaction and complex reaction. Complex reaction, then what can be the simple reaction? How to know whether it's a simple reaction or complex reaction? The answer is simple reaction takes place in one step. Complex reaction takes place in two or more steps. Slowest step is known as rate determining step. Rate determining step. Suppose A plus B, it gives C, and here A plus B, it gives P, P plus A, it gives C. It's a slow reaction, it's a fast. So finally what is happening? It's a 2A plus B which gives C. This reaction is a one-step reaction. A plus B, it combines and it gives C, whereas this one is two-step reaction. A and B, it gives P, P combines with A, it gives C. So finally when we come to C, one more product is there, P, which appears in between, and P is known as reaction intermediate. Reaction intermediate. Reaction intermediate. It means these are chemical species which are neither part of reactant or product in this case there is no reaction intermediate, there is no reaction intermediate. There is no reaction intermediate. So this is the two method. One is the simple reaction, one is the complex reaction. So what is simple reaction? It takes place in one step. What is complex reaction? It takes place in more than one step, and they involve a species which is known as reaction intermediate, which is neither the part of reactant nor the part of product. but their formation is vital for the propagation of the reaction. अगर वो प्रोडक्ट ना बने तो रिएक्शन प्रोपगेट भी नहीं करता. Sometimes they ask what is elementary reaction? What is elementary reaction? Elementary reaction is a reaction. Elementary reaction. It's a simple reaction. It is a simple reaction. It's imaginary. It is imaginary. Represented by imaginary symbol. For example, A plus D is equal to E. There is no element in the periodic table which starts with A or D or E. So this is the elementary reaction. It's a elementary reaction. It's a simple reaction. It's a simple reaction which takes place in one step and their symbols are imaginary. It takes place in one step and their symbols are imaginary. We have to use this information while we are reading, while we are going to solve the order of the problem. When we are going to solve the problem based on the order, we need to revise this definition. This reaction will come in that part.